Whoa! In today's video, we have a really fast car. It's the Porsche 911 Turbo S. The Porsche 911 Turbo S is one-of-a-kind sports car with its powerful engine, attractive design, and enormous driving pleasure. The model is Porsche's best-known sports car and is still very popular today. Leave in the comments how you will rate this car from 0 to 10. We would love to see your reaction after seeing this video. Let me tell you something about the engine. The Porsche 911 Turbo S is equipped with a 6-cylinder gasoline engine with a displacement of 3.8 liters. The technical data is impressive. The engine achieves a maximum torque of 800 Newton meters and produces up to 650 horsepower.
Oh my god.
The modern engine produces its highest power at 6,750 RPM. This is insane. So, how fast is the Porsche? The sports car accelerates from standstill to 100 km per hour in just 2.7 seconds. In addition, it reaches a top speed of 330 km per hour. To reach 200 km per hour, the Porsche needs only 8.9 seconds. The model reaches the all-important intermediate sprint from 80 to 120 km per hour has in just 1.6 seconds. The Porsche is not for poor people, but what is the exact price? Those who want to get their hands on a new Porsche 911 Turbo S will have to dig deep. The price for the sports model is well above 275,000 euros.
Oh god!
Those who also want extensive modifications or have one or two special wishes will soon have to count 300,000 euros. How is the interior looking? Two adults can sit comfortably in the front. However, things get cramped in the back seat. Whether it is the multimedia screen, the multifunction steering wheel, or the seat heating, the luxury of the car leaves almost nothing to be desired. Only visibility could be better, but that is due to the flat body with few windows and the sloping roof line. So, the Porsche is a very nice and fast car with 650 horsepower. But if you would like to have one, you must have a filled bank account. You should not forget to follow along and give a rating from 0 to 10. If you have suggestions, please leave them in the comments down below. Thanks and see you soon with the next car.